In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link cells between Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to create a live reference, so a value from one sheet automatically appears and updates in another. This is perfect for summary dashboards, roll-ups, or keeping a clean front page while your raw data lives elsewhere in the same file. First, open your Google Sheet. Make sure you're in the spreadsheet where both the source data and the destination cell live. You'll see your worksheet tabs along the bottom. Each tab is a separate sheet within the same file. Click the cell where you want the linked value to appear. Think of this as your destination cell, the place that will mirror data from somewhere else. Positioning matters here, because whatever you link will land exactly in this cell. On your keyboard, type an equal sign. The equal sign tells Google Sheets you're about to enter a formula. You'll notice the formula bar shows the ilks and your cursor is active, waiting for a reference. Keep it simple. No other characters needed before you pick your source. Now click the tab at the bottom that contains the data you want to pull in. When you switch tabs during a formula, Google Sheets keeps the formula active, so you can point directly to the source without typing anything fancy. Click the specific cell with the word or number you want to link. As soon as you select it, look at the formula bar. You'll see something like each sheet name, day 1. If a sheet name has spaces or special characters, Sheets will automatically wrap it in apostrophes for you. This reference means take whatever is in that cell and show it in my destination cell. Press Enter to confirm. You'll jump back to your original sheet and see the value appear instantly. From now on, if the source cell changes, whether it's a number, a date, or text, your destination cell will update automatically. That's the power of a live link. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you see an error like #ref, the original cell might have been deleted or the sheet name changed. Update the reference in the formula to fix it. If your destination cell's formatting looks off, adjust the format there. The link brings the value, and you control how it's displayed. And if you're building a report, you can copy or fill that destination formula to adjacent cells to mirror neighboring values, as long as your source cells line up in a consistent pattern. That's it. Clean, reliable cell linking in just a few clicks.